Jin, Minnie, Minnie, Minnie. Jimin ran to him. Ginny! Jin smiled. Minnie, will you do Ginny's fun work? Jimin nodded his head carelessly. Yes, Minnie, do work, Ginny. Jin, Tikoka is studying in their room. Can you give them their snacks? Jimin nodded his head carelessly. Yes, Minnie, go eating cookie food. Jin patted his head. Thank you, Minnie. Gave him a tray. See, these are cold coffees and cookies. Cold coffees are for tea cook and these cookies for Minnie. Cold coffee were in tea cook's silver coffee mug, which were unbreakable and had lids too. Cookies were also in packed containers so that if Jimin fell, then also none of food waste. He freshly baked cookies for Minnie with whole grain and less sugar. Jimin saw Jun's coffee mug. Jun, coffee? Minnie, go. Jin, no, Minnie. Juni's coffee is very hot. Minnie can burn his hands. Jinny will give coffee to Juni. Juni is busy in his online meeting now, so don't disturb him. Jimin, Oti, Minnie, no go, Jinny. Minnie, go, titi cookie. Jin, my good boy, pick the tray of coffee. Let's go, but slowly, otherwise coffee will slip. Jimin, coffee no fall. Minnie walked slowly. Started walking slowly. Jimin came to Teacock's giant room. He always helped Hanks by doing small things. He shouted from the corridor to open the door for him. He was walking in turtle's speed. Jimin shouts, Titi, Cookie, open door, Minnie coming. T opened the door and saw Jimin was on corridor. Minnie, come fast. Cook, what happened, T? T, I guess Jin Hyang sent us snacks with Minnie, but Minnie is walking like a turtle. In this speed, he will reach here tomorrow. Cook, I'm sure Jin Hyang told him to walk slowly, otherwise he runs in bullet train's speed. Why are you waiting for him? Go and pick the tray from his hands. T went to Jimin and took the tray in their room. Here are our snacks. Place the tray on the bed. Jimin ran inside. Cookie, Titi, Ginny, cold coffee, Minnie. Picked Cook's mug and gave to him. Cookie, cold coffee. Cook took his mug. Thank you, Minnie. Jimin, I smiled. Come, Cookie. Gave T's mug to him. Cold coffee, Titi. T took his mug. Thank you, Minnie. Jimin, I smiled. Come, Titi. T, it's welcome, Minnie, not come. T, shame, Titi. Cook, Minnie, do you want to drink cold coffee? Jimin shook his head vigorously. No, Obi, no coffee, Minnie. T, drink a little bit. We won't see anything to hang. Jimin, Minnie no want coffee black, Minnie. Minnie no black, Minnie. Milk only, soft, Minnie. Said by hugging himself. T, now what did he say? Cook, you are asking like I understood his language. To know what he said, we have to go to Jun Hyang, who is busy in meeting with trustees. T, I only understood that Hobie Hyang denied him to drink coffee. Hobby's a doctor and he strictly told Jimin that he can't drink coffee because of caffeine. Children below the age of 12 years can't drink coffee because of caffeine. It's harmful for kids. One day when Yoongi and Hobby were drinking coffee, Jimin also wanted to try, but Hobby stopped him and told him that he can't drink coffee. But then also Jimin wanted to try. Then Yoongi told him that if he will drink coffee, then he will become dark and his skin became hard. Jimin loves his soft skin so much. He touched everyone's skin and realized that everyone's skin was so hard. As compared to him, he became scared and decided to not drink coffee ever. Note: every skin tone is beautiful. It's just a phrase which often used by Asian people to prevent their kid to not drink tea and coffee. If you drink tea or coffee, then you will become dark. Sometimes you have to trick kids, otherwise they will do the things which you told them to not to do. Jimin gave his cookies container to Cook. Cookie! Open cookies! Ginny cookies, Minnie! Tea, Minnie, give me the container. I will open it. Jimin shook his head vigorously. No, Titi, no, open. Cookie, open. Cookie strong, na? Tea, I'm also strong. Cook, open the container. Here is your cookies, Minnie. Jimin, I smiled. Thank you, Cookie. Sat on the carpet and started eating cookies. Cook, Minnie, why are you sitting on the floor? Come and sit on the bed. You will catch cold. Jimin, while eating cookies. Minnie, no titi cookie. Titi cookie study. Minnie loves soft floor. Said by rubbing his hands on the carpet. Tea, leave it, Cookie. He won't listen to us. He only listen to Hyang's. He won't catch cold. Hobie Hyang was well aware of his love for floor. That's why he specially ordered these super soft and furry carpets. Let's study, otherwise nobody can save us from failing in tomorrow's test. After finishing his cookies, he picked the empty mugs and cookie container and put that in kitchen floor because kitchen counter was a bit high for him. When he was turning back, he saw Tangney's in fruit basket. He brought a small stool and climbed on it and picked up one Tangney and placed the stool back on its place and ran from there before anyone can see him because all the Tangneys belongs to Yuki. No one can eat his Tangneys. He came to balcony's couch and sat there and started eating Tangneys. No matter how much fruits he got, he always eat Yuki's Tangney by stealing. Everyone knew about this but didn't say anything to him. Jimin, Tanny sweet, Kitty, no. Kitty had Tanny, but Minnie gets tasty, said by eating. There, Jimin was enjoying his stool and Tangy, and here Yoongi and Hobie returned back from their work. They were shocked to see how it's this much quiet, but they didn't say anything. They both went to their room and came back after freshen up. Jin gave them their coffees. Yoongi, while looking here and there, Yang, what happened? House is very quiet today. Did that little loudspeaker go outside with his two side speakers? Hobie, what loudspeaker, Yang? What amenity you has with my innocent baby? He is so cute and adorable. Yoongi, I accept he is cute and adorable, but innocent not at all. He is a devil, little devil. Hobie, You again started. At least drink your coffee first. You have plenty of time to fight with him. Yungi, always he started first. Jin, okay, time out. Now you two don't start fighting. Hobie, by the way, Hank, where is Minnie? Did take him anywhere? Jin, they all are here. Taekook have very important test tomorrow, so they are studying in their room. Maybe Minnie is with them. I didn't check him. Yungi, Minnie is at home and then also here is this much peace. I'm sure he must be busy in creating problem for himself. Jin, it's not like that, Yungi. He must be with Taekook. Jimin ran there while crying hard. Ginny! 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 Yungi, here we go. Little devil again fell in his self-created mess. Hobie, what happened, Minnie? Why are you crying, baby? Jimin, Hobie, Minnie, Danny, cheese, Minnie, tummy, Danny, tree, come, Minnie, no one, tree. Tico came there. Minnie, what happened? Did you hurt yourself? Jin, why are you reacting like you both didn't know what happened to him? T, because we really don't know him. Hobie, what? He wasn't with you too? Cook, no, Hank. He left long ago from our room. Yungi, see, I told you na. Why are you crying? Jimin, Minnie, T, come. Tummy, Minnie, no. Yungi, wait. Here nobody understands your language. Go and bring your translator. Jimin quickly ran from there and dragged June in living room, who was finished his meeting. June, what happened, Hank? Why is he crying? He isn't telling me anything. Yungi, he wants to say something, and as usual, we didn't understand anything. Jimin, Juni, Minnie, Danny, she's Minnie, tummy, Danny, tree, come, Minnie, no one, tree. He started crying hard while holding his tummy. Everyone became worried for him, but June started laughing. Jin threw the cushion on him. Jin, here my baby is in pain and you heartless men are laughing. T, go and bring my pink frying pan. Let me break his head. Hobie, Minnie, is your tummy hurting? T, go and bring my medical bag. June, nobody needs to go anywhere. Jin, can't you see how much he's crying? Wait, let me bring my pink frying pan and pink sleeper. June, calm down, Hank. He is fine. Yungi, then why is he crying? June, first let me complete, Hank. There is nothing to worry. He just ate Tangni's seed along with Tangni. Now he is scared. He is thinking that Tangni's tree will grow in his tummy. Everyone sat on the couch and sighed in relief to know the matter. They were smiling to think about Jimin's innocent thinking. Jimin was confused. He pulled Yungi's hand and said, Jimin pulled Yungi's hand. Kitty, help me. Kitty, no one tree. Kitty, only Danny eat. June, he's saying that he doesn't want any tree. Yungi looked at Jimin. You should think about this before stealing and eating my Tangnis. By the way, it's good now I don't need to buy Tangnis. I will just pluck by here. Love Jimin's cute tummy. Jimin more scared. No, burst into tears. Yungi, okay, stop crying. I have a solution of this problem. Jimin looked at him with teary eyes. What? Yungi, you have to apologize for your mistake and request to God to forgive you. Jimin, Utti. He quickly sat on the floor and folded his hands and started apologizing in his language, which only June understood. Everyone melted to see his cute and scared face. Yoongi went to kitchen and brought a honey water for Jimin. He told Jimin that he apologized to Tree will not grow in his tummy. Jimin quickly drank the water and finally stopped crying. Tell me honestly, how many of you believe in childhood that if you eat any seed, then its tree will grow in your tummy? Time skipped at next day. Teacock was standing in front of Yoongi. Here is no one except Teacock and Yoonmin. Yoongi was looking very furious. Today, Teacock cheated in their test, but they got caught. His teacher called Hobie to complain about them. John was their principal. He couldn't do anything. Hobie came there with Jimin because there was no one at home. Hobie didn't say anything to Teacock because his teacher already punished them. Hobie dropped Teacock and Minnie at home and went to his hospital. Jimin told everything to Yoongi. Now he is fuming in anger. He can't understand Jimin's language, but today he understood everything. Poor Teacock. Yoongi, so you dare to cheat, huh? You didn't even think about its consequence. Don't be quiet. I am talking with you, not from any statue. Open your mouth and tell me the truth. Cook, while shaking, Minnie saying the truth, Yang. Yoongi, while making his fist, how many times did you cheat before? It was the first time, Yang. We didn't want to cheat, but we got scared from Junyoung's anger. Cook, we are sorry, Yang. It will never happen again. Yoongi, save your sorry for later. I will make sure that this will never happen. Right now, I have very important work, but in the evening, my belt will talk with you too. Yoongi left from there. Yoongi left from there, and Teacock angrily looked at Jimin, who was standing near the couch while holding him tightly. Cook, now you became happy. Jinhyang left. Tell him to. Showed him his palm. Are you seeing these marks? I know we did a mistake. We shouldn't cheat, but we already got punished for that. When Junhyang didn't say anything to us, then why did you tell to Junhyang? Why did you complain to him? Jimin shook his head vigorously. No, Minnie, no complaint. Minnie only tell Kitty. Minnie no want her the cookie. Stop your drama. Today we saw everything. Now just wait till the evening. Junhyang will beat us by the belt. Then enjoy more. Jimin shook his head vigorously with teary eyes. Minnie no enjoy. Minnie surely. Teacock, don't you dare to come in front of us. You are nothing for us. Angrily left. Jimin, no. Time skipped after some times. Jimin tried a lot to talk with Teacock, but they locked themselves in their room. Jimin was so sad and feeling guilty to hurt them. He was sitting in the living room while holding ointment. He brought that for Teacock, but they didn't open the door. Soon everyone came there and saw him like this. Jin sat beside him. Minnie, what happened, baby? Why are you sitting like this? Jimin, without looking at him. Minnie, bad boy. Minnie, shoo bad. Hobie, no, our Minnie is a good boy. Minnie can never hurt anyone. Minnie always help everyone. Yoongi, tell us what happened. Jimin, Titi, Cookie, no talk Minnie. Minnie so sad. June, why didn't they talk with Minnie? Jimin, Minnie tell Kitty office. June, what? You told Yoongi what happened in my office? Yoongi, relax June. He didn't do anything wrong. I didn't punish them. I only scolded them, then left. Wait, let me talk with them. June, you stay here. Let me talk with them. Yoongi, first they did mistake, then tear to blame Minnie. Jin put his hand on his shoulder. Calm down, Yoongi. June, we'll talk with them. You don't need to go there. Sit here. June opened the door of Jungkook's room by spare key and saw they were sitting on the bed. He went to them. June, why did you lock the door? Jungkook looked at him and stood up. Young. June, don't be scared. I don't do anything. I came here on to talk. Now sit and tell me what happened. Do you know, Minnie is so sad and guilty. He's thinking that he hurt you both. T. Oh, so he complained to you too. Cook. What else he can do except complaining? June, you both are mistaken him. He didn't complain about you too. He only tell us about what happened. He didn't even complain to Yoongi Yang about you too. Cook, stop taking his side, Yang. You also know he complained about us. June, so you think if he didn't tell Yoongi Yang anything, then he wouldn't get to know? I didn't tell him anything. Whatever you did was right. Team, no Yang, we did so wrong. We already got the punishment. You also knew how hard Yoongi Yang punishes. June, I know, but you need to understand that Minnie only told Yoongi Yang whatever happened in my office. We ourselves told him that never hide anything from us. It's a bad manner. Don't you know? He always tell us whatever happened whole day. There is huge difference between complaining and taking things. He's just a baby. His mind isn't developed this much. You know yesterday how much he panicked when he cut the tangy sheet. He is just so innocent. He is holding ointment. Come, let's go outside and talk with him. He is so sad. June calmly made Nico realize their mistakes and took them in the living room. Their heart cleansed to see Jimin's sad face. They apologized to Jimin and Jimin put ointment on their bruises. Yoongi was mad because Jimin gave his all the belt to cleaning staffs. He didn't want Yoongi to beat Taekook. Kids often can't hide the things. It's not like they want to do backbiting. It's just a part of their behavior. They only want to see themselves good in everyone's eyes and want their praisings. The end. Author's note. That's it for today. I hope you all like it. It was the requested story for one shot. I hope I didn't disappoint you. Happy New Year 2025. May this new year brings positivity and peace in everyone's life. Minnie complained about Taekook to Hanks because he was taught by Hanks to never hide anything. It's a bad manner. He didn't want to make Taekook punished. It was just a part of their nature. Let me tell me honestly, how many of you believed in your childhood that if you eat any seed, then its tree will grow in your tummy? I hope you all enjoyed this story. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.